Alright guys, so this is the makeup tutorial for today. It is a very dramatic look. I used 3 different palettes. 3 to achieve this look. Her name is Khadijah, one of my closest friends. Her makeup on her face just it's so sexy, you guys. It's so sexy. I love it. I love it. This is one of my favorite looks I've ever done. Hands down. It's gorgeous. It's gorgeous. I love it. I love it. So this is the look. You guys want to say how I got this look, just keep on watching. 30 days half September. We're on day 20 something out.
Yeah. So still safe.
We're starting out by doing Khadijah's brows. So I'm going to brush them in place. I just arched them a little bit right before the tutorial, but not a lot. Now Khadijah naturally has really thick brows, but I'm not going to do them so thick today.
When me touch the street, me and go say nobody can this. But me a save like a artist. Father me shit.
Alright, so just fill them in. Me never do them too neat or nothing. I'm going to use a spoolie to blend her brow hairs with the pencil. Then I'm going to take Fawn to do her brows.
My arm already. Father God him carry me through this time already. This is a spiritual warfare. Cup and this mission already. Satan and him army them. Them a get this arm already. Bomb already. This like say me holding a Osama already. Me no care if blue I step on you.
I want to take this little fluffy angle brush to just blend out the edges.
Show if him show up and me show and me perform already. This is a Armageddon when them gonna bed and gonna trap them wake up shaka. All of them all I think are done already. Christian life it are the hardest. So
guys, I'm going to set my Shades by Girl. I'm going to put it right on her brow bone, just on the highest point of her brow bone. This is my Shades by Girl medium neutral concealer.
Like a artist, Lord of me shield and me banana goddess. But me a feel like a hard, hey. Christian life it are the hardest. But me a feel like a artist. Even though me make a this a place I know me hardest. But me a feel. Them say a Christian, you are not, so you cannot be.
Alright guys, so I'm going to take the Morphe, I think it's a 35S palette, I think. Yeah, the shimmer. And I'm going to be going in with this color right here.
All that show up a heavy show when me perform at. Cause them see me park up in the car lot. One give me your number.
Alright guys, so I'm just going to wet the brush with some e.l.f. mist and set. Oh, osh.
I'm not even react like it happened. Oh. So the crowd not gonna notice.
And I just damp it so the colors will come out a bit more vibrant.
Not all who are exalt themselves, them salt like they married to the guy lot. When me say me, I stay safe. Me no.
So I'm going to be taking the Morphe 35M palette, and I'm going to be going with this color right here. And I'm focusing this on the edge to kind of diffuse the edge of the shimmery color that we use.
Nobody can this. That's why I say God bless. Regardless.
Then we're going to go in with this color right here. Then I'm going to be going in with the Jeffree Star palette, and I'm going to be taking Vanity because I want a little bit of depth in the crease.
Jesus Christ.
Then I'm going back in with the brush that I applied the first color from the Morphe palette to kind of diffuse, not adding any product, just diffusing the edges.
Understand me I teach. Yeah, me know. Me and the Lord go way back like a tape recorder. Have the AJ me name and Jesus and my father. And him feed me and make me fat and me no maga. And he make me life so easy.
Then I'm going to be going in with Courtney for her brow bone.
And him a give me strength like me phone pan a charger. I know me now go left and go over the bar.
Then I'm going to be taking Star Power. I'm just putting it right at the edge here.
He is right before your eyes. See the Most High. The Lord before you die. He is right before your eye. You need the Most High. Don't try. Any man deny the God, me no say him no sober. And Jesus Christ, me say I represent.
Then I'm going to Then I'm going to be going in with this color. No, for sure. Still to the back.
Yeah, get space.
Color right here.
It's not
What's your
here.
this color right here? Yeah. This color. Mama Anna hurt me a while ago.
He is right before your eyes. See them.
Then I'm going to be cleaning off this brush here and just diffusing the just melting the pink and the brow bone color that I just placed. Alright guys, I'm going with Maybelline Eye Studio, and this is the color Blackest Black.
And keep him close by. Don't leave and don't try. And I said the word duty, man, if you praise the Most High, Jesus Christ, you know. So take this opportunity for accept him in your life, you know. Yeah, what I tell them, say, people, hear me now. Say, seek the Lord before you die.
So I'm going to be taking Fawn again, just to the clean up.
And keep him close by. I say, seek the Lord before you die. He is right before your eye. You need the Most High. Don't leave and don't try.
Next, I'm going to be applying Rimmel Stay Matte for her primer. So I'm going to go back in with this color. I have the brush damp again. Close your eyes. And I'm just making that color more vibrant.
Humility. Humble yourself and be exalted.
Alright guys, next I'm going to be going in with this color right here. And that's going to be going in our happy area.
No land, no old stamblings. No car with no rims. Me only I about the kings of kings. Why come at about floss and so.
Then I'm going to be going in with this color for her lower lash line.
Who no believe the picture and get attacking is a next man name see a him. Never know she steal from the rich.
Alright, so next I'm going in with Nutmeg, and this is by Black Opal, and this is hers. Just so y'all don't catch no Diego.
So what?
Look, I'm going on her face with something. I mean, that's what you do now. I'm not she do my face, I'm mad. The kid, that's not how you apply foundation.
Only I about the kings of here. You are dragon of both. Go to a woman and know about the most. Weekend pan the North Coast when they check most of them. Never have a Bible in the most. And up here, high status them a post and up.
Alright guys, so I'm going to be using a mixture of Fawn and yellow. Oh, it's a corrector. Oh, okay. I never know. Alright, so I'm going to mix Fawn. Oh, I can put it for your face, because yours.
I don't know how well the corrector will come out.
Oh, probably that's why it come out, because a corrector. So it not really, yeah, so it not really make for come out heavy and thick. Well, the orange one come out, so so I don't know. Maybe them have it for a while, because the money not really selling now.
Orange and hot bread.
Yeah.
Remember how we used to hungry for the orange?
I know, me have, and it don't make no sense to
like, we just too much. We were so hungry for orange.
No, bling. No care with no rims. Me not show off if me a ball and me sing. No me, nah hype over material things. No bling. No care with no rims. Me only hype about the king of kings. Why come a talk about floss and swagging? Same full of woman till them all a mad him. Same full of money and no boy can't rob him. And him sit down pan cash. Him fly like Aladdin. Him go on Facebook.
Next, I'll be using Buff to set her makeup sit on her face.
Alright, so thanks.
Now I over material things. No blings. No care with no ring. Me not show off if me a ball and me sing. No me. Now I over material things. No blings.
Alright, I'm going to be baking her with Sacha Buttercup.
Now I over material things. No blings. No care with no ring. Me not show off if me a ball and me sing. No me. Now I over material things. No blings. No care with no ring.
Alright guys, to set her all over face, I'm going to be using MAC's NC50.
God bless. And your boy DJ. I mean I said I want to straight out of straight out of straight.
Oh my god.
I honestly do.
Feel bad for girls that don't have what?
Enough makeup. And they only have like one black eyeliner and like one lip gloss in a collection. I'm like,
yeah, I will not be editing that out. Sure. Alright, so next I'm going to be using Espresso, classic Espresso to do our low light, but look how dark this is. But I'm going with a fluffy brush and I'm going to tap once there's hardly anything on it, and then I'm going to apply it. Tap once, then apply.
That guy fi me sin like him holy. Him no go ask one can holy. Anything me don't know the Lord them a show me tell them. Them a wonder how me reach up at the peak. Stepping at the face a reaper with my sneaker me bun devil like a Easter.
So I'm just going back with the Maybelline Studio and I'm just bringing the liner over in this area of her eyes, just to add some more drama. Look at me this way. And I did it for both her eyes. Now I'm going to go back in with all the colors that I placed for that area, just to have that area pop some more. So I went in with this color here for right here.
what have I done to deserve this amazing eye right now?
And then I'm going to go in with this color here. But I'm going to wet it with the mist and set, so that it pops. So guys, I made a mistake, right? Turn your face to the what is the name? Left.
Anything me don't know, the Lord him a show me tell them. Right, I know what me feel for, and no reefer. Scripture what they pan the leaf, ya make devil leave ya. God the block a shot a keeper in a FIFA and deliver me like a pizza after the sweeter. Now I'm the knife in me Jesus, coming up Peter. Holy Spirit.
Now we're going to go in with her glow, and we're going to be using the BH Cosmetics Wild and Radiant. Alright guys, so I'm going in with this one here. Ooh, ooh, you guys. Ooh, ooh, my God, Khadijah. It is so pretty. I had no idea BH had these things. None. No. Oh, look, it's so pretty.
And then like cheap, you're not even $5,000.
Right, that's the thing. I think I was going to the top one, got my extra.
Yeah, man.
Kitties are so pretty. It's so, I mean,
just keep packing.
It is over the top. It is completely over the top.
As it should be.
It's so over the top. We don't need this much glow. Oh my God, Khadijah, we don't need this much glow.
And she still continues to pack it on.
It's true. Put it down. We don't need this much glow at all. Yo, your eyes though. She's putting on Salem from Lime Crime, guys. I cannot put on liquid lip to save my soul, so I'm allowing her to do it. No shame in my game, boo-boo.
Should I do this color?
Yes. Now you say, guys, this is the finished look for Khadijah. You can see me in the frame right there. But it's the finished look for Khadijah. Just part a little bit so that I can see your eyes. Yes, look down. Yes, Jonathan. This is the look. I love it so much. It's just everything right now. It's bold. It's good. I mean, let's just get a close up of her eyes right now. Yes. Look over there to the yes. Look to the left. Yes. Yeah.